Don't manually type your dates. It takes too long and you could make an error. You can use a date picker that is faster and doesn't make any errors. And it's really easy to use. Watch this. First, let me delete these dates right here and select the cells that you want the date picker to apply to. And then you're going to go to data and then data validation. Then you're going to add a rule. And you're going to make sure that the apply to range is correct. And then select under criteria. We're going to change this from drop down to is valid date. And we can also select the reject the input if the data is invalid. Once we are done with that, just click on done. And you should see your rule now right here. You can delete it with the trash can if you want. But let's go over and check it out. So instead of typing in the cell, I can just double click and that will bring up a date picker. And then you just click on the date and it will insert it for you. Click the arrows to change the month and then just click on the date. It's really simple and fast.